Hello students. Today we will discuss about numerical control. Numerical control is NC systems. The topic covers in computer integrated manufacturing 6 semesters as well as 8th semester. First of all, we will discuss about historical development or a background of the NC systems. In 15th century, that in the initial stage of this systems, that is machining of the metal. The 18th century industrialization production type machine tools have been generated, and in 20th century by the F.W. Taylor that innovate tool metal, high speed steel, automated production equipment. Here the screw machines, transfer lines, assembly lines using camps and present stops that related to numerical control, programmable logical control, and robots there. That slide shows the NC systems or NC machines, for example, in any plot. First of all, we will discuss about definition of the numerical control. That numerical control is a system in which actions are controlled by the direct insertion of numerical data at some point. In other words, programmable automation in which the mechanical action of a machine tool are controlled by a program. Here is a diagram shows the various elements of the ANSI systems. Here is a manufacturing operator there, that numerical data or ANSI code feed to the numerical control, then numerical control data feed the drive control, and the drive control feed to the machine unit, and the machine unit the process the particular part or a completion all operations on the particular product. The basic components of NC machines here: the hardware configuration of NC machine, and the first one the input panel, and second one MCU, machine control unit, and the machine control unit is governed by CLU and DPU. That the meaning of CPU and DLU is here. CLU is control loop unit and DPU data processing unit. Firstly, instructions feed to the machine control unit. We can see in this slide as per this block diagram, and machine control unit processed or a read of the all instructions fed from the input panel, and then finally for the execution of the particular operation the instructions feed to the machine tool. The machine tool finally processed or the particular operation of a particular product. The major element of the machine control unit we can discuss about this. This is NC machine tool has a main unit which is known as machine control unit. It consists of some electronic hardware that reads the NC program, interprets it, and conversely translates it for mechanical actions of the machine tool. A typical machine control unit may consist of the following units: the first one, input or reader unit, memory unit, processor, output channels, control panels, feedback channels. All things have an MCU. The next one, machine tool. Machine tool is the main component of a numerical control system which executes the operations. It may consist of worktable, cutting tools, jigs and fixtures, motors for driving spindle and coolant, and lubricating systems. The machine tool have the latest development in the numerical control. Machine tool is the versatile machining center. This is a single machine capable of doing a number of operations such as milling, boring, drilling, reaming, and tapping by automatic tool changer under the control of tool selection instructions. The MCU may be of three types. MCU meaning the machine control unit. The basically three types. First one, housed MCU. Housed MCU, uh, that is machine control unit, may be mounted on the machine tool or may be built in the casing of the machine. The second one, the type of MCU, swing around MCU. Machine control unit is directly mounted on the machine which can swing around it and can be adjusted as per requirement of the operator's position. And third type of the MCU is here standalone MCU. That MCU machine control unit is enclosed in a separate cabinet which is installed at some remote or some place near to the machine. These are basic three types of MCUs in NC systems. Other component of an NC machine tools here we can discuss about the in that you have a controller and the transducer and the machine table as per the slide we can see there, and the gearbox, tachometer here, motor, and that machine table moves on